join us, Mario Clean Cut Landscape. Today we're in New Orleans installing some Zoysia sod in the front yard along with a drainage system. I want you to take a look at how to properly prepare your front yard for sod. It must be tilled and loosened. So once the yard is loosened, the top layer has a lot of clay in it in a lot of areas of New Orleans. We will come in and add peat moss and incorporate that into the layer, and then we'll regrade with a little bit of river sand to level it out, and then we'll install this beautiful Zoysia sod. So if you need Zoysia sod in your front yard or backyard, give the professionals a call. 504-415-1438. We're Clean Cut Landscape, been in business for 35 years. You can also visit us at cclanddesign.com.